Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Emmy's World. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys an app that pays people for moving. You just need to walk from one place to another and this app is going to pay you. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if this is your first time of watching our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel because we upload like these videos like this. Here you can see under my balance I have 100 coins, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to earn this coin. Once you create an account on this app, you'll be given 100 coins as a sign up bonus. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn faster on this app. So guys, before I show you how to create an account on this app and how to earn on this app, I would first of all like to show you guys how to withdraw once you have earned enough coins on this app. Now click at the top right corner. After clicking on it, you will see the options available. Click on redeem. After clicking on redeem, you'll see this fresh page where you will see XYO. You can also redeem your coin using the XYO cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, which is popularly known as BTC. You can also use the Bitcoin, and Ethereum, which is ETH. So there are different options to withdraw once you have earned enough cryptocurrency on this site. And also you can swap or redeem your coins for different items. Here you can see there are different items available for you to redeem your coin. So guys, this is how to withdraw from this site. Once you have earned enough coins, you just need to click on any of these options. Click on it, and here you can see continuing app. In the app, tap the asset bar where the total collected is displayed. Tap the options you are interested in and then tap redeem button. Click continue. If I click continue, we are going to continue with this process. Since I just recently created an account on this site, I won't be withdrawing because I have not earned enough coin. But if you have earned enough coins, you can just click on continue and then continue the process. So let's cancel this. Now I would like to show you guys how to create an account. So let me walk you through the process of creating an account. Before you create an account on this app, you have to first of all download it from Play Store or the App Store. For those who are using the iPhone, you can download the app from the App Store. So I myself am using an iPhone, so I downloaded my app from the App Store. Now after downloading the app, you have to first of all enter your email address. After entering your email address, let me just enter my email address. Click on next, and here you have to enter your name. So make sure you enter your name. After entering your name, you have to repeat your email address and enter your unique password. Since I have an account on this app, I won't do this. This is just for a reference purpose. Now let me log in and show you guys how to earn on this app. Guys, as you can see right here, I am logged into my account, and this is how to earn on this app. You have to first of all click on this digger right here, the middle button. Click on it and it will load, and once this loads, you have to move to collect your coins. You have to move to collect some coins. So as you can see, I'm moving to collect some coins. After moving for some minutes, you have to click on the digger again, the middle button, and then click on got it. So as you can see, I've already done this, so I need to move to another location for this app to collect some coins. So this is how to earn on the app. There are multiple ways to earn on this app. You can do this and earn more cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more legit videos.